Soul Babes, Grade 1. Soul Babes is a kind of Latin jazz song. It incorporates a kind of bossa nova flavour. One of the challenges here is playing cross stick or rim click, which normally on a drum we'd put our stick across the snare, hold it down on the head and click against the rim. On a lot of electric kits you might have to play this just by hitting the rim of the snare drum. So it's a slightly different technique here to get the right sound. There are certain electronic kits where you won't have the ability to play a rim click or to get a second sound out of the rim of the snare drum instead of your open snare drum sound, in which case this song isn't appropriate for you.